Hey guys, Jason here. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today's going to be a little bit of a tech tutorial. So today in this video I'm going to show you a little command that you can run if you are installing Windows and you don't want to deal with a Microsoft account and you just want to install Windows 11 using a local account. So I know a lot of people want to do this. A lot of people don't like using Microsoft accounts to log on to their computer, including myself. So and I think it was in 22H2 they recently changed the option to install only using a local account to where you have to install using a Microsoft account, but there's a fix. I know how to do it to where you don't have to use a Microsoft account. You can use a local account. So I have a Windows 11 VM set up. I called it OOBE or OOBE because it has to do with the command. You'll see it later. So I have narrator on this VM. Let's go to the VM and I'll show you what to do. So let's go to full screen.
Yes button.
We're going to select our language.
Country or region selection list. Required.
English.
United States. Yes. Button. Yes to say. Heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2. Keyboard selection list. Required. US. 1 of yes. Button. Yeah. Skip adding a second keyboard layout. Accessibility. Microsoft. Want to add a second keyboard layout. Accessibility. Volume. Windows. Want to add a second keyboard layout. Pane. Add layout. Button. Skip adding a second key. Skip. Heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2.
Then it's going to ask us
network
to
connection flow
connect
window.
to a network. And so
install driver. Button.
Here, the reason why it wants you to connect to a network so bad is because it wants you to set up a Microsoft account, which we don't want to do. I purposely disabled a network adapter on this VM so it wouldn't connect using a NAT or Ethernet, or simulating Ethernet with that network adapter. So I disabled it for this purpose. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit Shift F10.
Text area, editing, space.
And that's going to, it didn't announce it, it usually does, but it's going to bring us into a command prompt. So let me just
Microsoft account.
Make sure I'm
administrator.
Actually in the
C:\Windows /System32 /CMD.exe.
Yep, and I'm in the command prompt. Now we're going to type the following command. So the command is I'm going to put the command in the description of the video. You got to type this in all caps. So I'm going to put caps lock on.
Caps lock on.
And I'm going to type in OOBE.
Capo. Cap E.
Which means out of box experience. That's what OOBE or OOBE stands for. Backslash. Make sure when you're typing this, don't type /, type backslash. OOBE backslash. Oh, sorry for the clock sound. Bypass.
Cap Y. Cap Y.
Bypass.
Cap S.
N.
Cap N.
RO.
Capo.
And I'm going to press enter. Now, the VM is going to restart. So let it take a minute to reboot. It's going to take a minute. And once it reboots, which it just did, we're going to go through the setup process again. But see, there's going to be something different now when we get to the network connection page. Hear those fans. And here we go. So we're going to turn back on narrator.
Microsoft account window, country, or region selection list. Yes, but accessible. Is this the right country or region? Yes. Country or region selection list.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Accessibility. Is this the right country or region?
Whoa, I didn't actually...
Yes.
I didn't know that. That was new. To actually say that, it interrupts the whole speech. Like, it completely interrupts the whole sound output. Right, yes?
Yes, heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2.
Come on. You can do it, Windows. Come on, Windows, you can do it.
Exiting narrator.
I'm gonna restart narrator.
Starting narrator. Yes, button. Accessibility.
Right, there we go.
Yes, button. Yes, skip adding a second keyboard layout, button.
Alright.
Skip heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment.
And now you'll see the new thing.
Network connection
flow window. We're bringing back to this network page, but we have another option now.
Install driver. I don't have internet. Button.
You click I don't have internet.
Microsoft heading level 4. Windows setup pane. Just a moment. At level 2. Just a moment. At level 2. Who's going to use this device? Pane. Enter your name. Edit. Name.
And now we can set up a local account. And this is good. This is good for many reasons. You know, if you don't want a Microsoft account, or if you don't have it, if you're setting up a system that doesn't have an internet connection, or you are setting up a system that does have an internet connection, but you know you don't want to use a Microsoft account like I do, because I don't want to use a Microsoft account. We can give this computer a name.
Next button.
And then set our password. And set up the stuff for our local account, and then continue with the installation of Windows. So I'm going to shut down this VM. I don't really need it anymore. Power off. And yeah, so that's a really pretty cool command that you can use to bypass the Microsoft account, setting up a Microsoft account or connecting to the internet on Windows 11. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this tech video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.